Pashma or Angler? I could put Health on Pashma, right? I do want to freeze that though. I'm not sure if I should. I mean, you can just roll. I mean, you could also just buy it. Because we get the hidden body in. We don't play unit down then. Maybe get a shaker. I think I'm just buying it.
That one's a rookie.
It's also better for this turn. Brood is great.
Play your best out there.
Svensson, did you just spam buy Pashma to spam holding the Milka afterwards? Like, you fucking genius, dude. I'm dead. Scam? What's this, a scam? Oh, fuck this scam.
And the crowd goes wild.
Alright, Reefer for summer. I mean, Agam is shit. Yeah, Bran is probably the best with this quest. You can also play Murlocs. This is
Spite outlives the spiteful.
yeah, I think you just sell one low flare. Yes, I did just say that. You just get the mark. Yeah, this is just good.
That one's a rookie.
So this goes there. 13, einer hier. Noch einen hier, oder? Seems good. Jan, hast du dich beruhigt? Ich hoffe, dass ich nicht noch mehr beschissene Spiele reinkriege. Ich bin nicht gerade gut gelaunt. Could chill on 4 with this quest and just... I mean, the Battlecry dragons are on 5, but I think you can just stay on 4 with this quest and just buy Battlecries. Go for the Bream counter lineup, right? Kinda like that. The only reason to level to 5 is Murosond and Draki and Shuffler. Well, and Triple Bran. I mean, this guy also leveled. Let's take the lever. Collector's great. I wouldn't even take the Shaker, right? Wie weit sind wir denn hier drin? We could get the Raptor here. Raptor is nice for Pashma. Also, it's nice to buff the Flutist, maybe. I shouldn't care about Flutist buff here, though. I should just get this Raptor or this here. I think I'm just getting the mark. It's kind of nice to give some stats here. I want to be too strong. I want to be as strong as possible here so I can greed around while building up my mechanic, you know. Naja. So. Yeah, hidden body with Bran and buying units is pretty strong. Now we're just still on 5, right? Yeah. Belcher is great. I would almost just get the money. Yeah.
Time to bench that one. Here's a gold. Make sure to recruit some champions.
I want to keep Flutist around. Oh no, yeah, I do want to keep Flutist around. Maybe low flare out here. And this also out. Yeah. So
That one's a rookie.
I'm too slow here, right? Yeah, Magma is crazy here. Let's come out and Flutist verkaufen. Ja, das habe ich gehofft.
3 strikes, you're gold.
Boogie Monster.
I'll hold him in the penalty box for us.
Naja,
You're a
ein bisschen
star
zu langsam.
athlete, friend.
Not like I can do a lot about this against this piece of shit quest here. Das ist so toxisch, ey. Ich muss echt immer den dicksten High Roller bekommen, sobald die Damage Cap aufmacht. Das muss sein. Ja, das ist einfach fucking nötig, Alter. Sonst wird mir ja langweilig.
Just keep shaking.
That one plays well.
Playing Nagas.
There's a golden trophy waiting for you. What a play!
Merc Eye. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna play Merc Eye anyways. So.